Hey guys, welcome to ReveMoto. So today I'm going to be working on this 2015 Infiniti Q50 rear bumper removal and installation. If you guys like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on your push notification. And if you guys need any pre-painted auto body parts for your car, go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted auto body parts source. And also, we're going to go ahead and link up above where you can buy this bumper right here. Alright, so let's get started. So we're going to go ahead and start off on the side of the bumper. If you guys go side of the bumper, you'll see these little clips right here. Let me see if I can focus that in. Right there. And one right there. And there should be two of them. And they're just like push pins. And all we're going to do is use a flathead or a panel removal tool to get it off. Alright, so I have this tool right here. Basically it's a panel removal tool, but if you have a flathead it will work also. So let me show you guys how to take this off. So if you guys look right here, so basically this clip is pressed down right here, and if you guys have a flathead, all you do is go to the side and kind of press up on there like that, and it should release it. See, all I did was kind of hook it right there between these tabs right here and lift up, and it should release it. So go ahead and do that same thing on the other side. All right, once you guys have those clips off, go ahead and go to the side, and what you're gonna do is gonna go ahead and go to the side of it, and there's a fender liner. Let's see if I can get it. So basically push the fender liner to the side right here, just like that. And then right underneath right there, you can see that 10mm bolt. Go ahead and take that off. So all you need is a socket wrench, a long extension like this, and this 10mm. Let me see if I can show you guys. Where is this thing? There it is. There's your 10mm right there. And it looks like that. And then go ahead and do that on the other side of the bumper. Alright, so now we're going to go underneath. And underneath you're going to see on the side of the bumper, right there. So there's going to be one on each side. And also when you get to the middle, right here, you see these push pins. Is going to be two right in the middle. Okay. All right, so just go right here. All you need is a 10mm right there, and then go to the side of the bumper and take that bolt off. All right, it looks like that one, and the same exact one on the other side. And then you're gonna go to the middle. Underneath the bumper, you see these clips right here. Go ahead and take that off with a flathead, or if you guys have a panel removal tool, go ahead and take it off with that. Sometimes these things are so brittle that they won't come off anymore, so you may have to just cut them off. Let me see if I can kind of break them off. What I'm breaking off looks like this right here, and they're just push pins. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and lift the trunk like I did already, and then over here is going to be a cover. We're going to take that cover off. So that's the cover right there, guys. And all it is held down by these clips right here. So all I did was get a something like soft, like this plastic panel removal tool, and I just wedged it in there and try to pry it off. Okay, we're gonna do it on the other side. All right, and if you guys look right there, you're gonna see a bolt and on each side right there. All it right there. So that's all we're gonna take off. It's gonna be a 10mm. And it looked like that. So now we're gonna go ahead and start from one end, and we're gonna go ahead and pull the bumper out. And go to the other side. Do that on the other side also. Alright guys, so actually on the bottom of this there's also another push pins on both sides, so we gotta actually take off the headlights now. Okay, so we didn't actually need to take that off. This tail light is just on there pretty tight, so let's see what we could do. We can okay. So you guys can, well, let me take this bulb off right here. All right. So what it is that it gets stuck right here. So you gotta kind of, you saw what I did. First I went over here and I used that I guess like that pattern removal tool, but it's like a curved angle, and I kind of just wiggled it, and then this thing released because these tabs release right here. And then you got to be careful because now you saw me pushing it to the side to an angle and then using a lot of force, and then I kind of pulled this back a little bit, and then slowly though, not too much force, because if you do you're gonna crack the lens right here. But don't use too much force, and then kind of just wiggle it and it'll unloosen itself. So let me try that on the other side. Take these off. Then I took this and kind of wedged it right here. And then it released it, right? So then over here, so I wiggled it back and forth right here, and then it released that tab. So then you go right here and then just screw it like that, and then unscrew this, and then there's a clip right underneath there. You just press down on it, and that'll release that clip. Okay. Put that to the side. And what we're trying to get off is those clips right there. So there's two of them on each side. Oh, thing flew all the way up. So this one, again, they get so brittle, you just need to replace them. Alright, and they look like that. Now we can take the bumper off. So for me guys, I don't need this bumper, it's broken. So I'm just gonna lay it on concrete. But if you guys are gonna reuse this, remember, don't lay it on concrete, okay? I'm gonna take off those yellow tabs, and then over here is gonna be a Phillips. And it's gonna take it off right there. There you go. Do that on the other side. And on those yellow clips, just pull them off. And there's actually this cover right here. Or the best way I see it is just go back here and push it out. Alright. Alright guys, so put all those accessories on the new bumper. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and put on a new bumper right there. We're gonna work our way to the middle first and push it in. But before I start, remember, you can guys get this bumper with the link down below. So we're gonna put the bolts on each side to hold the bumper up. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna look underneath to see if anything's if I have the bumper properly aligned down there. So guys, let me show you what I was trying to do. So underneath, all I did was look at this hole remember there's a bracket behind here, making sure this bumper is over that bracket, because sometimes this thing right here goes through the bracket and it doesn't line up correctly. Okay, so that's what I was looking for, but now it's all lined up. But look at that mirror finish, only ReveMoto can provide. Alright guys, so right here on the side, we're gonna go ahead and push it in. Line up the bracket. This thing sits on top of the bracket. So do that same exact thing on the other side. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put that bolt back up right here, and then we're gonna put the push pins in the fender liner area. So and go ahead and put these push pins in. And then if you guys remember, there's this bolt right here. And do the same exact thing on the other side. Alright, so remember down here, you're gonna have those push pins, just like that. These are brand new ones. Well, actually, these are used ones. I found some. Then you're gonna put the push pins on these sides right here. Same thing on the other side. Now I'm gonna put the tail lights on. Then you're gonna put them in place. Okay. And then screw them in. Alright, and now we put the cover on. And do the same thing on the other side. Alright, last but not least, the cover. Alright guys, so that's how you install a 2015 Infiniti Q50 rear bumper. If you guys have any questions, comment down below and I'll answer all those questions for you. Thank you. Hey guys, I do want to thank you again for watching our great videos. If you guys need any parts for your vehicle, the ones that you guys see in our videos, or anything else, go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted auto body parts source. We sell bumpers, taillights, headlights, touch-up bottles, everything that you need for your vehicle. Go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted and accessories parts store. Also, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on your push notification for more great videos like this one. Thank you.